How to disable TikTok screen time management on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove screen time limits and use TikTok without restrictions. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on three lines at the top right to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. Let me show you. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Time and Wellbeing to open the screen time settings. From there, you'll see the screen time limit option. Tap on it to open it. At this stage, tap on Turn Off to disable screen time management. Once done, screen time management will now be disabled, and you can use TikTok without any time restrictions. Here's an important note. If your device also has a screen time limit set through your Android settings, open your settings, tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, find TikTok in the dashboard, and tap on the app timer to delete it from there as well. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable TikTok screen time management, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.